Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and now I can show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. Disable Wi-Fi if you don't use it right now. Disable Bluetooth, nearby share. Disable portal hotspot, NFC, OPPO share, and I have. Okay, I have. Oh, I have no location service, so we need to disable location services. So click on the three dots button, edit tiles, find here location services. I don't see it. Okay, it was here. So if you have an location service here, you can find it in the additional menu. But here, as you can see, I have it and I have it disabled. So disable it if you have it enabled, because location services is constantly searching for your location and consuming your battery power. And then, of course, you can open the settings. In settings, you have display brightness, and here you can use the dark mode to improve your battery life. Why? Because you have LED screen in your device, and it means that in dark places LED lamps are disabled. Here, for example, your screen is not consuming a battery power. It works only with LED screens, not with LCD or TN screens, only with LED screens and super AMOLED screens and others LED LED technologies. Okay, cool. Go back. Open battery in settings, and here you have power saving mode, and you can enable it. You can always enable this mode. This mode is great, and it will help you to improve battery life. But with super power saving mode, you can make it better. So you can live your device can live longer with one charging. For example, with 60%, it will live 1 day, so 2 days, okay, and it's really great. But here, of course, you can use only 6 apps, so we need to remember about it. And cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, and bye. See you.